T-shirt.
T-shirt.
She wore a T-shirt to the casual party.
She wore a T-shirt to the casual party.
Jeans.
Jeans.
She likes to wear jeans on the weekend.
She likes to wear jeans on the weekend.
Sweater.
Sweater.
I need a warm sweater for the winter.
I need a warm sweater for the winter.
Jacket.
Jacket.
He put on his jacket before going outside.
He put on his jacket before going outside.
Coat.
Coat.
She bought a new coat for the winter.
She bought a new coat for the winter.
Blouse.
Blouse.
She chose a silk blouse for the meeting.
She chose a silk blouse for the meeting.
Dress.
Dress.
She wore a beautiful dress to the wedding.
She wore a beautiful dress to the wedding.
Skirt.
Skirt.
She wore a skirt with a matching blouse.
She wore a skirt with a matching blouse.
Pants.
Pants.
He prefers wearing pants to shorts.
He prefers wearing pants to shorts.
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 He wore shorts to the jungle.
He wore shorts to the jungle.
Suit.
Suit.
He wore a suit to the job interview.
He wore a suit to the job interview.
Blazer.
Blazer.
She added a blazer to her outfit for a polished look.
She added a blazer to her outfit for a polished look.
Hoodie.
Hoodie.
He loves his comfy hoodie.
He loves his comfy hoodie.
Vest.
Vest.
She wore a vest over her blouse.
She wore a vest over her blouse.
Tank top.
Tank top.
He wore a tank top on the hot summer day.
He wore a tank top on the hot summer day.
Cardigan.
Cardigan.
She wore a cardigan over her dress.
She wore a cardigan over her dress.
Raincoat.
Raincoat.
She brought her raincoat in case of rain.
She brought her raincoat in case of rain.
Poncho.
Poncho.
She used a poncho to stay dry in the rain.
She used a poncho to stay dry in the rain.
Scarf.
Scarf.
He wrapped a scarf around his neck.
He wrapped a scarf around his neck.
Hat.
Hat.
She wore a stylish hat to protect herself from the sun.
She wore a stylish hat to protect herself from the sun.
Cap.
Cap.
He put on a tennis cap.
He put on a tennis cap.
Beanie.
Beanie.
He wore a beanie to keep his head warm.
He wore a beanie to keep his head warm.
Gloves.
Gloves.
She put on gloves to keep her hands warm.
She put on gloves to keep her hands warm.
Mittens.
Mittens.
She wore mittens instead of gloves.
She wore mittens instead of gloves.
Socks.
Socks.
She wore warm socks with her boots.
She wore warm socks with her boots.
Stockings.
Stockings.
She wore stockings with her skirt.
She wore stockings with her skirt.
Leggings.
Leggings.
She paired leggings with a long shirt.
She paired leggings with a long shirt.
Boots.
Boots.
He wore boots in the snow.
He wore boots in the snow.
Sneakers.
Sneakers.
He wore sneakers for the hike.
He wore sneakers for the hike.
Sandals.
Sandals.
She wore sandals to the beach.
She wore sandals to the beach.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
He wore flip-flops to the beach.
He wore flip-flops to the beach.
Loafers.
Loafers.
He wore loafers with his casual outfit.
He wore loafers with his casual outfit.
Heels.
Heels.
She wore high heels to the party.
She wore high heels to the party.
Slippers.
Slippers.
She put on her slippers when she got home.
She put on her slippers when she got home.
Underwear.
Underwear.
He bought new underwear.
He bought new underwear.
Bra.
Bra.
She bought a comfortable bra.
She bought a comfortable bra.
Boxers.
Boxers.
He prefers wearing boxers.
He prefers wearing boxers.
Panties.
Panties.
She bought new panties.
She bought new panties.
Nightgown.
Nightgown.
She wore a nightgown to bed.
She wore a nightgown to bed.
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
They decided to have a pajama party and stayed up all night.
They decided to have a pajama party and stayed up all night.
Bathrobe.
Bathrobe.
He wrapped himself in a bathrobe after his shower.
He wrapped himself in a bathrobe after his shower.
Bikini.
Bikini.
She wore a bikini to the pool.
She wore a bikini to the pool.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit.
She bought a new swimsuit for the beach.
She bought a new swimsuit for the beach.
Apron.
Apron.
She wore an apron while cooking.
She wore an apron while cooking.
Belt.
Belt.
He wore a belt with his jeans.
He wore a belt with his jeans.
Tie.
Tie.
He wore a tie with his suit.
He wore a tie with his suit.
Bow tie.
Bow tie.
He chose a bow tie for the formal event.
He chose a bow tie for the formal event.
Handbag.
Handbag.
She carried a handbag with her essentials.
She carried a handbag with her essentials.
Backpack.
Backpack.
He carried his books in a backpack.
He carried his books in a backpack.
Wallet.
Wallet.
He kept his cash in his wallet.
He kept his cash in his wallet.
Watch.
Watch.
He checked the time on his watch.
He checked the time on his watch.
Bracelet.
Bracelet.
He wore a bracelet on his wrist.
He wore a bracelet on his wrist.
Necklace.
Necklace.
She wore a beautiful necklace.
She wore a beautiful necklace.
Earrings.
Earrings.
She wore gold earrings.
She wore gold earrings.
Ring.
Ring.
She admired the sparkling ring on her finger.
She admired the sparkling ring on her finger.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
He wore sunglasses to protect his eyes.
He wore sunglasses to protect his eyes.
Eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses.
She needs eyeglasses for reading.
She needs eyeglasses for reading.
Hairband.
Hairband.
She used a hairband to keep her hair out of her face while studying.
She used a hairband to keep her hair out of her face while studying.
Headscarf.
Headscarf.
She wore a headscarf for religious reasons.
She wore a headscarf for religious reasons.
Bandana.
Bandana.
He wrapped a black bandana around his head.
He wrapped a black bandana around his head.
Wristband.
Wristband.
He wore a wristband for the event.
He wore a wristband for the event.
Anklet.
Anklet.
She wore an anklet with her sandals.
She wore an anklet with her sandals.
Suspenders.
Suspenders.
He wore suspenders with his trousers.
He wore suspenders with his trousers.
Rain boots.
Rain boots.
He wore his rain boots to splash through the puddles.
He wore his rain boots to splash through the puddles.
Swim cap and goggles.
Swim cap and goggles.
He adjusted his swim cap and goggles before diving into the pool.
He adjusted his swim cap and goggles before diving into the pool.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun language lessons.